Secure your sensitive business information by learning how to effortlessly create and send a non-disclosure agreement using DocuSign. First, navigate to the DocuSign website and click on the prominent Send an Envelope button, ready to initiate your NDA process. You'll then be prompted to upload your NDA document. Simply click the Upload option and select your pre-prepared NDA file from your computer. Now it's time to prepare your document for signing. On the right-hand side, you'll see a variety of fields like signature, text, and date. Drag and drop these fields onto the corresponding spaces in your NDA. For instance, drag the signature field to where the recipient needs to sign, and the text field beneath it for their printed name. Next, assign these fields to the correct parties. Click on a field. Then in the Assignment drop-down, select Applicant 1 for yourself and Applicant 2. For the party you're sending the NDA to, you'll also enter their email addresses here. Once all essential fields are placed and assigned, click the Next button to proceed. Here, you'll add the recipient's email address again if you haven't already, and you can personalize the email message that accompanies your NDA. Clearly state the purpose of the document. Finally, with everything configured, click the Send button. Your non-disclosure agreement is now sent and routed for e-signature, ensuring your confidential information is protected promptly and efficiently. DocuSign makes managing and signing NDAs a breeze, safeguarding your business's valuable secrets.